Good morning, my dear third grade students. Welcome back to our class. Children, in the last video, I have explained about digestive, respiratory as well as nervous system. So today, I will explain remaining part of the lesson. So children, get ready with your textbooks. I am starting with the circulatory system, page number 197. So get ready children. Circulatory system. C-I-R-C-U-L-A-T-O-R-Y, circulatory, S-Y-S-T-E-M, system, circulatory system. The heart, the blood and the blood vessels form the circulatory system. Children, underline this line. The heart, the blood and the blood vessels form the circulatory system. Underline this line. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body, which is carried by thin tubes called blood vessels. The blood carries nutrients and gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide to different parts of the body. So children, here circulatory system means it will passes. So what are the parts of the circulatory system? The heart, the blood and the blood vessels are the parts of the circulatory system. Observe this picture. What are the parts here? Heart, blood and the blood vessels are the parts of the circulatory system. So our heart will pumps the blood, means it will passes the blood throughout the body by thin tubes. Did you observe in the picture the thin tubes that are called as blood vessels? What they are called? Blood vessels. By these thin tubes, these blood vessels are there throughout the body. Did you observe children? Throughout the body these blood vessels are there. So by these blood vessels the heart will pumps out the blood through these blood vessels, and while pumping, that's why we are getting the sound, means heartbeat. You can hear our heartbeat, isn't it children? So our heart will pumps out the blood, and these blood carries the nutrients and as well as the gases, whatever we breathe, oxygen and carbon dioxide, it will supply to all the parts of the body. So it will passes. So that's why it is called as a circulatory system. So the main parts of the circulatory system are heart, blood and the blood vessels, and it will passes the blood to the different parts of the body. That is called as circulatory system. Next, excretory system. E-X-C-R-E-T-O-R-Y, excretory, S-Y-S-T-E-M, system, excretory system. The organs that remove wastes like urine, sweat, etc. produced in the body form the excretory system. The kidneys remove waste from the blood and form urine. The urine is stored in the urinary bladder and comes out through the urethra. The skin removes sweat and the lungs give out carbon dioxide. So children, here excretory system. Excretory system means, excrete means removing waste from our body. So what are the waste materials are there in your body? Urine, isn't it? Urine is the waste material as well as sweat, isn't it? So when the organs which remove the waste from our body, it is called as excretory organs. So what are the excretory organs? See the picture of the excretory system. Here kidneys, urinary bladder and urethra. These are the parts of the excretory system. These are the excrete organs, isn't it? Excretory organs. So what are they children? I am repeating: kidneys, urethra and urinary bladder. Three parts are there. So we have two kidneys children. They are in a bean shape, isn't it? They are in a bean shape. So in our body, whatever the waste materials like urine and sweat is there in our body, they will excrete the waste materials through these kidneys and it will store in the urinary bladder. Did you see the urinary bladder in the picture? So this urine will be stored in the urinary bladder, and from the urethra it will come out from our body. Okay, it will passes through the urethra. So these are the excretory organs which are present in our body. Excretory means removes the waste from our body. Next, reproductive system. Reproductive system helps to produce babies or young ones. So what is reproductive system children? What is the spelling of reproductive? R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-T-I-V-E. Reproductive, S-Y-S-T-E-M, system. So reproductive means giving rebirth, isn't it? Already you learn in the first lesson, isn't it? Plants also will reproduce, isn't it? So here human beings. So here a mother give birth to a small baby, isn't it? Even small animals also give birth to small babies. So reproduction means produce babies or young ones, isn't it? Reproduction means what, children? Produce babies or young ones. Next, here revise and recall is there, children. Revise and recall. Observe this picture, children. Revise and recall. The skeletal system. Here they are asking, what am I made up of? What am I made up of? So in the skeletal system, what are they, children? In the skeletal system, the skeletal system is made up of, yes, the skeletal system is made up of bones, isn't it? Next, you have to write there bones. Next, the muscular system. The muscular system is made up of, what will be there in the muscle? What will be there in the muscular system? Yes, muscles. What is the spelling of muscles? M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles. Okay, write in the second blank. Next, third one, the digestive system. So, what are the parts are there in the digestive system? Will make up the digestive system. What they are? They are mouth, food pipe, stomach and intestines. You can observe the picture of the digestive system so that you can get some idea of that. What are the parts of the digestive system? Already I explained. So, what are the parts, children? I am repeating. First is mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Next, food pipe, F-O-O-D, food, P-I-P-E, pipe. Next, third one, stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-K, stomach. And fourth one, intestines, I-N-T-E-S-T-I-N-E-S, intestines. So, write this, revise and recall in your textbook. Okay, children. Next is, children, exercise and rest. So, you all know that exercise, isn't it? You will all do exercise, isn't it, children? So let's see what is there in our lesson. So we should exercise regularly as it keeps our body fit and healthy. Underline this line, children. We should exercise regularly as it keeps our body fit and healthy. Underline this line. Yoga, jogging and playing are the different forms of exercise. We feel tired after a day's hard work or after playing games. It is important to take rest and relax our body. We also need enough sleep at night to feel fresh the next morning. Our body becomes unfit if we do not exercise regularly or take enough rest and sleep. So children, we should do regularly exercise, isn't it? Why, children? Why we should do exercise? Because exercise will make us our body fit and healthy. So that's why our PT sir will conduct PT classes as well as dance also. Dance is also a form of exercise, isn't it, children? So this PT and dance is it's a kind of exercise. So we should, apart from this, we are taking the food. When we are taking good food, apart from the food, we have to do exercise to maintain our body fit and healthy. So all these organs will work in our body, isn't it? So meanwhile, we have to do exercise. What are the different types of exercise? You can do yoga as well as jogging. Jogging, you know, children, morning walk by most of them will go for jogging at the morning. Some of them will go at evening also, isn't it? And playing, you know, children, where most of the children love to play, isn't it? So these are the different forms of exercises. So if you do exercises, your body will be fit and healthy. So when you are doing all these activities like playing and doing exercises, you feel very tired, isn't it, children? You feel very tired. So when you are feeling tired, what you have to do? You have to relax your body. So what you will do, children? You will sleep, isn't it? So whenever you are feeling tired by doing all these activities, you have to relax your body. So that's why we want enough sleep also. To suppose if your night you are not slept. So what will happen? Next day morning we become very lazy, isn't it, children? So that's why this food is also important, exercise as well as enough sleep. It will relax our body. Next, if you do regularly exercises and as well as relaxing your body, it will make our body fit and healthy. Okay, children. So I hope everyone will do exercises. Okay. Next, posture. What is posture? We will see. P-O-S-T-U-R-E, posture. The position of our body while sitting, standing or walking is called posture. Come on, children, underline this line. The position of our body while sitting, standing or walking is called a posture. Underline this line. It is very important to maintain a good posture. A posture helps in keeping the body healthy. So, whenever you are sitting, children, what is the posture means? Whatever the sitting position, isn't it? Now you are listening the class. So, in a school, imagine children, when you are in the school, you will sit on the bench nicely without paying attention, isn't it? But at home, somewhere you are sitting on the sofa or on the bed, isn't it? So the sitting posture also is very important. So whatever the position of your body while sitting or writing or standing, walking, that is called as a posture. So this posture always should be, we should sit in a good position, isn't it? Good posture should be maintained. Next, this posture will helps us to keep our body healthy as well as fit. Next, posture while sitting. So we should sit straight with our back against the chair and feet flat on the ground. We should not bend forward or slouch while sitting. So children, when you are sitting on the chair, we should be sit straight. See the picture here, how this girl was sitting on the chair, isn't it? See the picture. She was sitting on the chair very straight. She was not bending forward, isn't it? Her back is very straight, and her feet, observe the legs, how she will keep on the floor, isn't it? The legs also in a straight. So whenever you are sitting on a chair, your posture, maintain the good posture to sit on a chair. You should not bend or slouch. Slouch means in a lazy way. In a lazy way means moving your hands and legs are not sitting in a good position. Slouch, laziness. So you should be sit in a right position. Next, posture while standing. We should stand straight with our back erect and chest out. Our feet should be flat on the ground. We should not lean on others while standing. So while sitting, how you are maintaining your posture, in the same way while standing also you should stand straight, isn't it children? So we should our back should be in a correct position, means don't bend forward, isn't it? You should be stand straight, and our chest should be out, means like this you have to stand and our chest should be out, isn't it? Straight. And you should not lean on others, means don't put your hands or shoulders on others. So stand straight. So whenever you are sitting or standing or walking, your posture, maintain a good posture. This will make our body fit and healthy. So in this lesson, what we learn children? The different organ systems as well as exercise and rest. So today I will give only one question answer, and as well as just now you completed revise and recall. That revise and recall take a pic, and then this one answer write in your classwork and then send to me. So what is that question answer? After I will give the last question, that is sixth question. Already I given 5 question answers, isn't it children? So today I am giving sixth question. So after writing the fifth question, write this answer. Okay children? So let's see what is the sixth question. Sixth question. Why is exercising important? I am repeating a question. Why is exercising important? Answer. We should exercise regularly as it keeps our body fit and healthy. I am repeating answer once again children. We should exercise regularly as it keeps our body fit and healthy. So children, in the last class, 5 question answers already you wrote. Now you have to write one more question answer as well as complete the revise and recall. So take a pic and then send to my personal window. So today your work is to write this answer and learn all the question answers children. You have to learn all the question answers with spellings. Okay. Take a pic and send to me children. Bye bye.